Last Saturday, Nottingham Panthers forward Adam Johnson tragically lost his life in play at the Sheffield Arena during an ice hockey game in the UK. The thoughts of everyone connected with the Elite League and Adam's family, friends and teammates at this incredibly sad and difficult time. We invite both head coaches to lay a wreath on centre ice in honour of Adam's memory. Adam Johnson started off his career representing his hometown of Hibbing, Minnesota, before moving on to play for the Sioux City Musketeers in the USHL. He then spent 2 years playing in the NCAA, the highest division of college hockey for the University of Minnesota, his home state. He then moved to the Wilkes-Barre Scranton Penguins, the affiliate of the NHL Pittsburgh Penguins. The following year, Adam would achieve his lifelong dream of appearing in the NHL. Over the next 2 years, Adam would go to play 12 more times for the Pittsburgh Penguins, scoring once and assisting 3 times. His career path would take him on a journey from Malmö in Sweden all the way to the UK for the Nottingham Panthers in 2023. Adam Johnson, Nottingham Panthers number 47, was an outstanding ice hockey player, a great teammate and an incredible person with his whole life ahead of him. Nottingham and the entire Elite League will dearly miss Adam, and we will never forget him. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand if you are able to, and join our coaches, players, officials, and the entire ice hockey community as we remember Adam with a minute's silence. We'll then invite you to join us for a minute's applause, followed by the national anthem and this evening's game. Thank you.
Flings the pass to Bobby Young there, who takes it over the blue line. Owen Bruton going in the middle. Good bit of stick work, and it's a goal! Bobby Young with a fantastic finish. What a goal!
That's a lovely pass off the boards. Bruton in behind, but goal!
And it's a goal!
Bobby
yes.
Chamberlain, little D can pass the netminder. Weren't sure if Bobby was going to pass that one. Owen Bruton was coming in behind into the slot, but a little bit of puck movement and just backhands it past the netminder. And it's 2-0 to the Hull Reckitt Seahawks.
Lovely finish, that. Lovely finish. That pass at the beginning off the boards. Bobby one-on-one.
It seemed to catch MK in the headlights. They were all just a bit at a standstill. Leads Venus.
Pass again. Good save.
Really good pad save by Lang down low to his left. Venus finds Wallace. 35 seconds on the power play remaining. Is this left side goal, MK. 25-55 gone of this game, and MK get one back. With that power play goal, MK are back within one. That's a chance.
And it's in!
Bobby Young, second of the game.
Great finish.
Awkward bounce. Headley was diving across his net, and Bobby Young feated underneath him, and 3-1. Didn't take long for the Seahawks to regain the 2-goal advantage. No. Pressure from Knight. Turns it into Towner. He's under pressure from... And
And it's in!
Way in! Lee Bonner!
What a finish!
4-1. Bones heads his way down to the bench. High fives all round on that one. It deflects off the back of Bartholomew. Dangerous here. Stewart doesn't quite get it away, and it's in. It's a goal from the Milton Keynes Lightning. Not quite sure. It might be Tim Wallace, the player coach, who's just got on the end of this one. But there's a
couple
little
of
bit
awkward
scrappy.
deflections in there. It was a
Yeah, exactly. It came off the, I think, with the back of the sock of Bartholomew into the MK player. Fired across the net, bobbling all around the crease.
MK still with it. Good pass into the
Nice
middle.
feed, and that's a goal by Reckitt on the turn. That's one for the highlight reel. And that's 4-3 here at Hull Ice Arena. MK claw back to within one. On the power play, second power play goal of the evening for Milton Keynes. And that's just, you know, he found a little bit of space, but
It's a lovely finish.
exactly, you can't take anything away from the finish. So where it was positioned, Angus Lang might not have seen the puck until it was halfway to him because of the shot on the spin. Essentially, the puck was on the other side of Ruckis' body.